Barbara, I'm driving through fire right here. It's getting close, Barbara, and everything is burning. Oh my God.
Hi, my name is Barbara, and I want to take a moment to share the story of an incredible man, someone who spent his life lifting others up, but now he needs our help. His name is Cliff. Cliff's journey began in Detroit, Michigan, where he grew up in a big family with 9 siblings. He found his passion for music early on, working as a songwriter at Motown Records. But like so many, life took unexpected turns, and he faced struggles with addiction. But Cliff is a fighter. In 1998, he made the choice to get clean, to rebuild his life, and to dedicate himself to helping others to do the same. For 19 years, Cliff managed a sober living facility called Quality Life Sober Living in Altadena, California. Over the years, he lived alongside more than 200 men, helping them to get to meetings, find jobs, stay accountable, and simply to have a safe place to sleep at night. He cooked meals, provided transportation, and made sure no one ever felt alone in their recovery. But then tragedy struck. The Altadena fires burned the sober living house to the ground. Everything Cliff had is gone. And now, after spending his life helping others, Cliff is the one in need of help. Right now, Cliff is 74 years old, living in a small motel room, trying to figure out what's next. He's never been one to ask for help, but I know that if anyone deserves a second chance, it's Cliff. That's why I'm organizing this GoFundMe, to help Cliff get back on his feet, find stable housing, and continue doing what he does best, helping others. If this story moves you and you believe in redemption and second chances, I ask that you please donate. No amount is too small. Every single contribution helps. And if you can't donate, please share this video. Together, we can show Cliff the same kindness and generosity he's shown to so many. Let's remind him that after all these years of being there for others, he's not alone. Thank you for your support.